Hello viewers, welcome to EduFlux. In this video I am going to discuss my last moment thoughts before going to GATE 2021. So GATE 2021 is knocking at the door, literally. And aspirants may be very tensed at this moment. Some may be demotivated. Some may have lost hope that they can do good this year. But I would like to say that uh, the critical 3 hours are still left. Someone who could not perform good in any test maybe, or due to some reason they find that their performance is not good so far, they also can do very good. Like they may have inherent potential, or their preparation may be good enough to perform on the final day. So unless and until the final 3 hours are over, we can't say anything, we can't judge anything. So it is useless to go into the exam with a predetermined mindset, with predetermined thoughts of some marks, some rank, some ambitions, maybe PSU or MTech. These thoughts are actually useless. While entering the exam hall, what is needed the most is a relaxed mindset, calm mind that will focus wholeheartedly in with full attention, full concentration on the questions that will appear on the screen in the 3 hours. Nothing more is important at that time. No thoughts, no predetermined expectations or guesses or something. So going into the exam hall should be with a fresh mindset. The day will be fresh. With all positivity, you should enter, thinking that things will go in your favor, and that is the art of positivity. If you think in that manner, then there is a chance that you perform your best. So going into the exam with a positive mindset is very important. And other thing is, whatever you have studied, no need to feel tensed because may have forgotten the things. It seems that you have forgotten, but if you are prepared nicely, then there is no question of forgetting at the last moment. It is only your mind that maybe frightens you or intimidates you that such an adverse thing may have happened. But actually, it is just a silly fear. Now talking about the strategy to attempt the exam. Attempting the exam, aspirants may have practiced tests and they may have decided a strategy for themselves, like starting with aptitude or 1 mark or 2 mark and proceeding in a particular way they have decided. But I would like to say that it's okay, you can try that. But on the day of the exam, the questions will be shuffled. So it may be that the tough questions appear in front. So while attempting, you should remember that if something tough appears, it will be tough for everyone, and there will be also easy questions also. So at least you should have a look at all the questions and read the questions once, because on looking at the questions, some questions appear very tough, but when you actually try to solve them, they appear quite easy, like or maybe solvable by some approaching or trying to solve. So going with a predetermined mindset that we will follow only this way, proceed in this way, is not good. Like, should keep your strategy somewhat flexible. And other thing is, try to visit all the questions once at least, and try not to give too much time on any particular question, because along with tough questions, easy questions will also be there. So, and believe me, your preparation is as you have done it. It won't change suddenly by some thoughts of your mind or something. So if you are prepared well, keep that confidence in yourself. That will only help you to get what you aspire for. So these were my few thoughts which I thought are worth sharing with the aspirants before they go into GATE 2021. All the very best from my side. And in case of any further doubts or queries, please write in the comment section. Thank you very much.